Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. So for the month of July, I have the Tetris Ipsy eyeshadow palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that tells you how to enter for that one. I also have my 100th video giveaway going on. Put a link for that in the description box down below. And then I am getting ready to film my 200th subscriber giveaway, so be on the lookout for that. That'll be shortly. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 300th subscriber giveaway. All sorts of fun stuff, so help us get to that 300. If you are new to GLOSSYBOX, GLOSSYBOX ships out $21 a month. There is usually 5 full-size, deluxe size items in there. Last month I had an issue with GLOSSYBOX that I noticed there was some price kind of inflation going on. So let's dive into this one and see what we got. I always like the boxes. They're really nice and sturdy. Always a card that talks to you about the products. It says, coming soon. Guess what? It's our birthday. So grab the cake, get the glitter, and pick your favorite Get Ready With Me playlist, because next month is a celebration blowout. Ooh, makes me excited. For us, next month is a time to be extra sparkly, and most importantly, to be glossy. As we celebrate turning another year older, we're giving you the best of our beauty with our box. Each present inside will be our #1 faves just for you to be icing on the cake for fabulous August. No need to make a wish, because all of your beauty dreams will come true in next month's theme. Ooh, makes me excited. And it also says sun's out, glossy, sun-kissed skin, white sand beaches, and cool drinks by the pool are at the top of our vacation wish list this summer. My wish list too. As we prepare to travel abroad, stay at home and relax, or get away for the weekend, we want to pamper, indulge, and embrace the slower pace of summer, which is why we love our theme, Summer Oasis. This month, GLOSSYBOX is embracing summer with products that will make you feel cool and refreshed, just like you stepped out of the pool. And that talks about all the different products. So I'll put this to the side to kind of reference it. There is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh and a $100 wine voucher to Naked Wines. And everything really comes neatly packaged. The first item that I'm pulling out is by Luscious Cosmetics. It is their camera powder, full size, as featured, is $29. Lights camera set. Unlike its competition, this powder from Luscious Cosmetics is extra finely milled and colorless, perfect for all skin tones, and super effective for the ultimate finish and setting a minimalized flashback in photos. After all, summer is all about selfie time. If you want to use a lot of the product, get full coverage, apt for a makeup sponge. Have oily skin, for a powder puff for a velvety finish. It is a cruelty-free company. So I always, on GLOSSYBOX, I think I'm gonna have to double check now to make sure that the prices are really what they say they are. So let me just do that really quick. Yeah, it does say that the price for this is $29. From Jurlique is their Rosewater Balancing Mist. It says a full size is 15 milliliters. Full size value is $69. The #1 global bestseller. This mist will bring your inner glow to the surface as it hydrates, shields, and balances your skin's pH levels. Plus, the fragrance will leave you feeling rosy, and is a perfect way to freshen up in between or after makeup. I'm not big on a fragrance in mist. After toner, spritz a bit of mist to relax and rejuvenate. You can also mist on a bare face day to have an instant dewy glow. Just stop putting fragrance and stuff. So here's what the product looks like. Now let me double check that price. They did it again, you guys. So on the On the Jurlique website themselves, they say you can get 50 milliliters for $32. Remember here, they said you were getting 15 milliliters for $69. Or you can get 100 milliliters for $42 on their website. Nowhere does it say this $69, especially for only 15 milliliters. I've about had it. This is enough and needs to stop. And the only way it's gonna stop is if we cancel our subscriptions. From Oryza Beauty is the lipstick in the shade Lido. It's 100% cruelty-free, the Luscious lipstick from Oryza. The Velvet Ribbon collection gives nothing but long-lasting color and satin finish. With their glide-on formula, lips will feel weightless, nourished, and protected thanks to the patented Oryza Sativa core ingredient with the help of shea butter and pomegranate. Tip is want your lipstick to last all day. Apply the shade, blot with tissue, and dust a thin layer of powder, like the setting powder we sent you, over your lips. Then reapply the lipstick to create long-lasting lip base. Full size of this as featured, which is $22.50. This is a really pretty shade, you guys. I already have a ton of lipstick on, so let's just swatch this. Ooh, this is gorgeous. It's kind of like a dusty rose color. I really like that. Let's double check the price. Okay, it does say that it does retail for $22, and so there's a 50-cent difference there. That I'm okay with. This big difference in the Jurlique one, not okay with. From Leighton Denny is the Miracle Mist. A full size retails for $14. Got the perfect polish, but not the time. This little number is your secret weapon to an effortless manicured in a pinch. Don't worry, this mist is not sticky and will dry your nails in seconds. Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to freshly manicured hand selfies. Make sure not to touch anything at least a few minutes after you spray. Precision takes a little less time. I am so confused. You wouldn't touch anything with your nails, giving it a couple minutes to dry anyway, and then this says still not to do it. Maybe it cuts the time down a little bit. I don't know. I'll have to give this one a try. Let's check the price. Nope, they did it again. So the price for this, I can see online it's $12. And I couldn't find an actual store for this. So on the Walmart sheet, that was the first one that came up, and there weren't any other prices listed online or anything, unless there was like Amazon or something like that. But it was $12 for Amazon for a bigger size. This says it's $14. And here's the price of the Jurlique ones down here, where it says it's $69. Not happy.
It was $12 at Walmart, not Amazon.
Final thing in here reminds me of the Miracle Eraser. This is the Afterspa Amazing Makeup Remover, full size as featured. It retails for $5. Want to say goodbye to makeup wipes. And then Afterspa will be your new eco-friendly best friend with amazing makeup remover, removing up to 100% of the most difficult makeup with the help of its extra soft texture remover. All you need is water. Goodbye full face and hello soft dewy skin. Take advantage of steam. Fill your sink or a bowl with hot water and hover your face over it for a minute or two. The steam will open up your pores and make it easier to remove makeup and debris. It does say to machine wash first. I can kind of see why, because there's little kind of fuzzies coming off of it. I am anxious to give this one a try. Let's double check that price. Yes, the price on this one was listed as $5. So I do like this. That lipstick I really like. I'm not big on a bunch of powders, just because the older I get, the less I want to do that. So that was kind of a miss. These two things just irked my hide, especially this one. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know if I should keep or cancel. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I'm interested in seeing kind of what they have for their birthday celebration. So I might keep it for one more month. And then if they do this again, done. See ya. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.